Sorry. Tripped on my chair for a second there. Well, everyone, welcome back to The Wolf Among Us. Now, wow, okay. I have been gone for a long time. Let's get into this. And well, here is my apartment where we last left off. Okay, so let's enter. Okay, come on out. I know there's someone there.
All right.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that's Beauty from like Beauty and the Beast. Hey, the scientists stay off the grass.
Expecting anyone. I know this looks a little odd.
Why'd you
There's an
hide?
Explanation.
Why'd you hide when I walked up?
Well, I didn't know who it was. You can't be too careful these days.
Okay.
Okay.
Damn it, I'm late.
For what?
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me.
I honestly don't know about that.
As it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier. Just, please.
I promise.
Sure.
You promise?
I promise.
I promise.
Thank you, Bigby.
You're welcome.
I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go.
Okay.
Thank you for trusting me. Really, I appreciate it, Bigby.
Okay, just stay safe. Don't turn into a hooker on the street. Sorry for that. Okay, so now that we're back into the game, like I disappeared because well, I didn't have no internet in my house. Plus, I think I kind of had to move. So, yeah, I think that's why I didn't really make an appearance for like quite a while, and then yeah, I mean, so internet bills were like skyrocketing as far as I know from my mom. So I couldn't really upload anything for a while.
You wink?
Looks like this guy is snoring.
Probably for the best.
Hey, look, a golden suit of armor. Is that golden or is that reflected by the light? Wait, why was that smoking? Okay. Wait, what's this?
Damn thing fell off again.
Damn it. Yo, I think I'm just gonna put this back up.
How much longer is this gonna go on?
Okay, let's just go upstairs. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Anyway, let's go in. Wait, who's that?
Bigby, hey, wait up.
Wait,
Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
is that Kenny from The Walking Dead?
Have you?
Haven't seen her.
Nope. Haven't seen her.
Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you. Damn it. Something's going on.
Okay, I think you should calm down. Your wife would appreciate it. Okay, I guess we're going into my apartment now. This place does not look like the best of places to, like, live in a house. I mean, an apartment or whatever. Why would you leave the thing off the phone? And plus, you're the sheriff, so how much money do you make? Okay, my back is killing me right now. Okay.
What a night.
Yeah, 109 indeed. Okay, let's see what we got in our fridge.
Why do I even own this?
Oh, wow.
Smaller one.
You don't have a lot on your fridge, do you? Really? You just got ice cubes in there?
Damn it.
Okay, wow, there's a lot of stuff going outside. A lot of construction and whatnot. Blue board folder.
Bluebeard's file.
Oh, Bluebeard. Okay, sorry.
Never trusted this guy.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't have trusted him either if his name was Bluebeard. That would be a funny name to have.
Don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign.
Yeah, it probably is if it means you haven't ordered that. What? Okay, now there's a pig in my bed. I mean, in my chair. Sorry. Well, why do I keep mistaking stuff for other stuff? Excuse me.
Colin, get up.
Please? Hello?
Oh, hey, Big B.
Hi.
I'm in your chair, huh?
Yes, you are. Come on, I'm tired.
I'm tired, Colin. It's been a long day.
Ooh, he's fat. Probably made for some good bacon. Ooh, the ass is thick.
Got a smoke?
Got a few. There you go.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
Shut up.
You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there.
Okay, I won't.
Down. I'm not sending you back.
Okay, I'm just gonna try to be nice throughout this whole
For
game
me,
and not lose my breaking point.
the house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes? It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
I guess, we have some grief, but listen, I just want some rest, alright?
If that was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
Wait, okay, what is your problem?
So, everyone hates me.
Nah, I'm just giving you shit.
Yeah, of course you are, you're a fucking pig, shut up.
Clearly that is not true. What with the selfishness with the bourbon.
What?
But, no. Hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
Thought we
Considering
were all supposed to have a
what,
fresh start.
how much shit they all gave me,
Can't change the
I think
Well,
I
you
think
can't
it's
change
both.
people's memories either.
Okay, I'm stuttering a lot.
I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean,
What, because of how I fight?
hands.
Yeah, who wouldn't be scared of me because of how I fight?
Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
It's my job, alright?
Doing my job, believe it or not.
Your job is to beat the shit out of Fables?
Did I just get owned by a pig?
Sometimes I take him to the farm.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Fuck you too.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
Hey, look, my job's
Big
hard.
And being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing.
Okay, you know what? For once, I think I can agree with you in there.
That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Yeah, no,
Name
really.
one.
Beauty?
Beauty.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I told her I'd lie for her.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's real nice of you.
Yeah, that is real nice of me. I'm being a gentleman.
Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time.
Yeah, true, true.
I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well,
Please?
maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink, please.
Okay.
Enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I...
Okay, that's not even a good enough face, but...
Will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably.
That's not good enough of a cute face, but here you go. Oh, wait! Oh, no! Shit!
Nice.
Shit! Come on.
You're fucking with me. Hilarious.
Fuck, I meant to press square. Sorry. Fucking fingers. God damn it. You know what? Let's just go to sleep. Pretend none of this ever happened. Who could be knocking at this time? Okay, I think we have time for that. Maybe 2 minutes at most, but... Okay. Yeah, straighten up to tie.
Bigby,
Snow?
come with me.
Oh, that's Snow White? Cool. I love how she's even got, like, a snowflake outfit on.
Snow.
Snow.
Snow!
What? Sorry, What is it?
Slow down.
Slow down.
No, keep up. We need to...
Hello?
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get out of my way. Thank you. Stupid.
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
Okay then. What is this about? What is that? No, seriously, what is this? Well, I think it's a good time to stop it here and leave this off on a cliffhanger. What is inside that bag? I don't know. Or jacket, whatever. God, this stuttering. Can't believe I slipped on that fucking button back there with the pig. I really kind of wanted to give him a drink. Well, anyway... See you guys in the next episode. Bye.